California. Known primarily for its coastal cities, it is a place of extremes. We are here, in the geographic center of the state. Our home isn't flat. In fact, the Central Valley, surrounded by mountains on all sides, is among the highest producing agricultural areas in the world. At the heart of it is Fresno, which sits in the shadow of the Sierra Nevada range. The majority of water in the western United States is delivered by winter storms from the Pacific. Recently, this has stopped. But it's not the first time. We've seen historical indicators of changing water rates and weather patterns. Times of catastrophic floods and droughts. It can be tough to see a correlation. And the weather can seem a little bipolar.
The state of California is resorting to drastic measures tonight to combat its severe drought. The governor ordering the strictest crackdown on water use in the state's history. That means big sacrifices for tens of millions of people.
That's right. It's not flooding now. In fact, the drought we're currently experiencing is said to be the worst in over 500 years. And you can bet there are a lot of opinions on how to solve the problem. So how has California ensured that they have enough water during the droughts? One thing seems to have helped. Dams. A lot of dams. In fact, there are 600 in California alone. In Nevada, we see an example of water levels falling drastically at one of these dams. Just to the south of us, we see the immediate effect. The southern half of our valley was once a lake full of water and wetland. Over the last century and a half, irrigation damming has left it looking like this. Coupled with the current drought, the dams placed on the rivers in our valley have diverted water and depleted aquifers.
NASA says this epic drought now affects 64 million Americans across the West.
Now that we are in a drought cycle, the rivers are dry, and people in this part of the state are simply out of water. There is no clear solution here. Permanent damage may be affecting the valley's future capacity for water. But agriculture is vital to the economy here. The only thing that is certain is that we need to have a better understanding of rainfall and drought here in the West.